Imagine you are a scientist at CERN in Switzerland. One day you notice a tiny black shadow present inside the Large Hadron Collider. What do? Do you even have a chance? Today, we are diving deep into the abyss of science and exploring the most terrifying and intriguing question of our time. Could CERN create a black hole? And what if they did? The thought of a black hole being formed on our planet may sound like the plot of a science fiction movie, but the possibility is actually real. And the consequences could be catastrophic, unleashing a wave of destruction that would be felt across the entire universe. In this video, we will take a closer look at the science behind the creation of a black hole and the real opportunity of the human race actually creating one. So buckle up and get ready for a journey that will challenge everything you thought you knew about the universe. Could CERN create a black hole? And what if they did? Let's find out together. Firstly, it's important to note that black holes are not a result of a single particle collision. Black holes are formed when a massive star dies and collapses under its own gravity. However, some theories suggest that microscopic black holes could be created under specific conditions, such as during high-energy particle collisions in the Large Hadron Collider. As we delve into the science behind the creation of black holes, it's important to understand what they are. Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. At their core, they are incredibly dense regions of space, where the gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. Imagine a trampoline with a heavy bowling ball in the center, causing the fabric to curve downwards. Now, imagine rolling a marble around the edge of the trampoline. As the marble gets closer to the center, it starts to spiral inwards towards the bowling ball. This is similar to how gravity works in space, with massive objects creating a curvature in space-time that pulls other objects towards them. But with black holes, the gravity is so strong that the curvature becomes infinitely steep, creating a point of no return called the event horizon. Once an object crosses this boundary, it can never escape the gravitational pull of the black hole. Despite their intimidating reputation, black holes play an important role in the evolution of galaxies, as their gravitational influence can affect the movement and distribution of stars and matter around them. Now, why are we talking about the Large Hadron Collider at CERN and black holes in the same video? The answer might scare you a little. The Large Hadron Collider is the largest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world, consisting of a 27-kilometer ring of superconducting magnets that accelerate particles to almost the speed of light. The purpose of the Large Hadron Collider is to collide particles together at high energies, creating conditions similar to those in the early universe and allowing scientists to study the fundamental laws of physics. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but let's discuss the hypothetical question: could the Large Hadron Collider at CERN be able to create a black hole? The short answer is yes, in theory. When particles collide at high energies, some of the energy is converted into mass, according to Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared. If the energy is high enough, it's possible that a mini black hole could be created. Theoretical physicists at CERN have long been exploring the possibility of creating tiny black holes in the Large Hadron Collider. According to some theories, when high-energy particles collide, they could create a momentary disturbance in the fabric of space-time, resulting in the formation of microscopic black holes. These black holes, which would only last for a fraction of a second, could provide valuable insights into the nature of gravity and the behavior of subatomic particles. However, the creation of black holes at CERN remains a highly speculative idea and is not without controversy. Despite the doubts, a group of intrepid researchers at CERN have been working on ways to produce these elusive black holes. They have proposed a series of experiments that involve firing high energy particles into each other at extremely high speeds. By analyzing the particles that are produced from these collisions, they hope to detect the telltale signs of a microscopic black hole. CERN states themselves that they take safety very seriously and has put extensive measures in place to ensure the safety of these experiments. The Large Hadron Collider has undergone rigorous safety assessments and is subject to strict safety regulations. However, some people have argued that there is no way possible to be sure when we are dealing with a phenomenon we didn't even know existed for certain 50 years ago. Some scientists have speculated that these tiny black holes created at CERN potentially could pose a threat to the safety of the planet. The fear is that there is too little that we actually know about black holes, that trying to create one might be the worst idea possible. So for a moment, let's imagine that the Large Hadron Collider by accident created a stable black hole with enough mass that it could sustain itself and remain stable. How would this play out, and what could we do about it? The terrifying answer is nothing. A stable black hole on Earth would immediately begin to absorb nearby matter, including the atmosphere, the planet's crust, and all living organisms. As more matter is absorbed, the black hole's gravitational pull would become stronger, creating a feedback loop that would cause it to grow even faster. Eventually, the entire planet would be consumed by the black hole, and everything would be compressed into an infinitely small point at the center of the singularity. The process of the black hole consuming the planet would release a tremendous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves, which could potentially be detected by instruments in space. However, if you are worrying about a black hole swallowing our Earth anytime soon, please don't. Despite the claims of some skeptics and conspiracy theorists, it is currently not possible to create a stable black hole at the Large Hadron Collider or any other particle accelerator with the technology available today. One of the main reasons for this is simply a matter of scale. While the Large Hadron Collider is the most powerful particle accelerator in the world, it is still far too small to create a stable black hole that would last for more than a fraction of a second. In order to form a black hole, you would need to pack an enormous amount of mass and energy into a tiny space, creating a gravitational force so strong that nothing, not even light, could escape it. This technology is luckily not available for us humans yet. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, it's important to keep an open mind about what might be possible. While we may not be able to create a black hole here on Earth, who knows what incredible feats of technology and engineering might be possible for civilizations far more advanced than our own. Perhaps somewhere out there in the vast expanse of space, there are beings who can create and control black holes, wormholes, or even gravity itself. It's a humbling thought, and one that reminds us that the universe is full of wonder and possibilities beyond our wildest imaginations. I really hope you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this. If you do, please like and subscribe. See you guys next time.